I could well be moved if I were as you. If I could beg, begging would move me. But I am constant as the northern star, of whose true fixed and resting quality there is no equal in the sky. The skies are painted with unnumbered sparks, and they are all fire, and every one does shine, but there is one in all that holds his place. And in the number I know but one that unassailable holds on his right, and that I am he. And let me little show it, even in this, that I was constant. Cimber should be banished, and constant to remain to keep him so.